Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're here with Peter Robin and he's in great form today. We're looking at Lady Slipper Orchids. And Lady Slipper Orchids are a hardy outdoor orchid that grow quite happily in pots and containers outdoors. They like a little bit of semi-shade and they're absolutely stunning. They're like a free draining compost. That's very important for them. And they're available in a range of colours. That's a deep pink. And you can see this one just peeping over soil level now. They don't like to be too wet for winter because wet soil over winter will cause the rhizome to rot. So you've got to be very careful that way. But they're great fun to grow, aren't they, Peter? They're fantastic. So you've got pink and yellow as well. And I think we have some white as well further down the nursery, Peter. But well worth finding a spot for. There's something a little bit different. If you want to grow something a little bit different outside, Lady Slipper Orchids are recommended by Robins. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.